Good morning, dear students. I, Professor Basavaraj Koluche, welcome you all for today's lecture of Marketing Management. This is module number 1, video number 5, and topic for today's discussion is Market Research. In previous class, we have seen the four main components of marketing information system, that is internal records, market intelligence, market research, and marketing decision support system. Out of these four, today we will be discussing about market research. As per the syllabus, this concepts of market research are to be discussed. So, let us begin with the simple meaning of market research or a definition of market research. Market research is defined as the process of evaluating the feasibility of a new product or service through research conducted directly with potential customers. This method allows organizations or business to discover their target market, collect and document opinions, and make informed decisions. Whenever a organization want to start with a new product or with say a new concept, before coming up with that or such a concept or a product, what this organization or a industry does is they start with a process of finding out or conducting a research directly with the customers. This methods allows the organizations or the businesses to reach to their target market and customers, collect information, collect their opinions, document them, and analyze that data and make a decision from that data. So, this is the simple meaning of market research. Research means finding out of new things or finding out of new ideas, concepts, products, etc. Here, market research means finding out the opinion of the customers regarding the new product, product content, design, pricing, etc. etc. So, all this research process is concerned with market research. Here, market research can be conducted directly by organizations or companies or can be outsourced to some agency which have expertise in this process. Many times, the organizations may not involve themselves directly in such a process. At that point of time, they outsource this research work to some or the other agencies who are expert in this kind of research, and these organizations they charge some amount and work on behalf of the companies and make the research, and whatever data collected is being submitted to the companies. So this process can be outsourced or can be done by themselves itself. Then the process of market research can be done through deploying surveys, interacting with a group of people, also known as sample, or conducting interviews and other similar processes. In market research, how the data is collected? The data is collected either say through meeting the people in a personal, either with the interactions, either with a survey, questionnaires will be prepared, and that questionnaires will be distributed to the customers or the target audience, and they will record their opinion through these questionnaires and then they submit it. Or say interviews or conducting of small interactions with the group of people, etc. etc. So this is how the research work is conducted in market research. Let us see some of the definitions regarding market research. According to Philip Kotler, marketing is the systematic market research is the systematic design, collection, analysis, and reporting of data relevant for specific market situation facing an organization. So here, as per Philip Kotler, he is saying that it is a systematic design or a systematic plan for collection of ideas, collection of information, collection of data, collection of records, and after collection, this data, these records or this information need to be analyzed, and the analyzed data is to be reported in a proper way. After reporting that data, the relevant information related to a specific market situation which is essential for the organization need to be recorded, collected, analyzed, and the same data is used for, say, decision making. So this process is known as market research as per Philip Kotler. The another definition given by American Marketing Association is marketing research is the systematic gathering, recording and analysis of data about problems relating to the marketing of goods and services. What happens is, whenever a research is to be conducted, first of all we need to find out the problem. For example, if I am going to launch a new product, a problem for me is whether this product will be accepted by the market or no, whether this product is, say, acceptable or no, whether this product design will be affordable for the people or no. So all these are my problems. So to find out the solution for this, what I would do is I would rather prepare a questionnaire, and this questionnaire I would have distributed to the target customers in the market. These customers, they would have recorded their opinion, their information in those questionnaires, and the same questionnaires I would have collected, and the data I would have analyzed, tabulate it, sort the data, and as per the requirement I would have used that data for decision making. The same thing was done in Belgaum by many companies. Before DMart came into Belgaum or before Big Bazaar came into Belgaum, they made a survey, they conducted a survey, and that survey was, say, done by some students, and that survey, the report was collected, the data was collected, and the same data was being tabulated, collected, analyzed, and then the decision was taken. In 2008, when I was a student, at that point of time, the Nucleus Mall, which you all see now, they wanted to start that Nucleus Mall, and this mall, before starting, they had conducted a survey, and they had deployed us when we were student. I was also a survey team part of that mall, and at that point of time what they did was, the questionnaires they were prepared, and we met people in the market. We were roaming, meeting people and taking their opinion about the mall system. Before that there was no mall system in Belgaum, and people responded very nicely, and their information whatsoever they had recorded in the questionnaires, they were brought together, analyzed, say, tabulated, graphs were prepared, and that same thing was presented in front of the company, and then they took a decision of having a mall over there. Otherwise, before there was a theater by name Kapil. So likewise, in market research, as per the American Marketing Association, marketing research is the systematic gathering, recording, and analysis of data about problems relating to the marketing of goods and services. So this is the simple definition given by American Marketing Association. A 2 marks question may come for your examination. What do we mean by marketing research or market research? At that point of time, you can write this meaning, that is, market research defined as the process of evaluating the feasibility of a new product or service through research conducted directly with potential customers. This method allows organizations or business to discover their target market, collect and document opinions, and make informed decisions. This is the meaning. If the definition is asked, out of these two definitions, any definition you all can write down, either of a Philip Kotler or a definition given by American Marketing Association. Hope the information given by me is clear to you all. If you have any doubts, questions, queries, you all can please feel free to contact me at any point of time. In this class, we shall stop here. Tomorrow, we shall see the objectives and other things of market research. Till then, thank you. Good day.